Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text track in DaVinci Resolve. First, open your project and navigate to the Fusion page. This is where we will perform the tracking operation. We'll start by adding a text node and then linking it to a tracker node. This process ensures your text moves seamlessly with any element in your video, creating dynamic and engaging visuals for your audience. It's a fundamental skill for many video projects. Now let's set up our tracker. Drag a tracker node into your Fusion composition. Connect your video clip's output to the green foreground input of the tracker node. Carefully choose a distinct point in your footage that you want the text to follow. This could be a corner, a specific object, or any area with good contrast. Adjust the tracker's search area to encompass your chosen feature for optimal results. Next, we'll integrate your text. Add a text plus node to your composition and connect its output to the tracker node's blue background input. In the tracker node's inspector, change the operation dropdown to match move. Then, set the merge option to foreground over background. This tells DaVinci Resolve to apply the tracking data to your text, making it follow the tracked point precisely throughout your clip. Review your footage to confirm the tracking. Finally, let's refine your tracked text. You can adjust the text's position, size, and font within the text plus node. If the text isn't perfectly aligned, use the offset controls in the tracker node to make small adjustments. Consider adding a slight motion blur to your text to blend it more naturally with your moving footage. Once satisfied, render your composition. This method provides a robust and precise way to track text in DaVinci Resolve for any project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.